Welcome back, Doggie Express. This tutorial is going to cover how to change out the products on the front page. Currently, we have these particular items. They were listed out in an email I received from you. Now, over time, there might be particular ones that you want to push to the front for various reasons. It could be a new item that you really want to show off. It could be popular items that people order often, and you might want to put them on the front page so that they don't have to go dig through the entire store in order to find the one product they want. If people are coming back again and again for the bacon crunch cookies, then put them on the front page so they can order them quicker. This is a tool for you to make ordering easier for your customers. Now, you're going to want to change these out from time to time, and it's a process that has a couple of different steps. So let's go to our products page, and I'm going to show you the little thing that pulls them to the front page. Now you notice it doesn't pull everything to the front page. In fact, right now I just have 6 items. These 4 plus bacon and morning glory. You can tell I've reached the end because the arrow goes white and this one's dark, indicating that I have something to move over there and see. So I only have 6 items being pulled. Well, the way I'm using that particular little widget to pull to the front page is I'm assigning it to pick up specific SKUs. You can see those right here. And you notice only a handful of them have them right now. Eventually, you probably should assign them all an SKU. It'll help with your point of sales later on. But right now, I can ask for specific numbers, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5. I can ask for those specific numbers to be pulled to the front. So let me go and show you how I'm doing that. Now, it's important that you need to know what your SKU numbers are ahead of time that you want to use. So you might want to write them down. That way you have a list of the ones you're going to pull to the front. I wouldn't recommend putting more than 6 to 8 on the front. Otherwise, you're really overdoing it because at that point in time, they can just peruse the store just as quickly. But in order to change those, we need to go to the home page. You find the home page under Pages. We're going to go to Home Page. And you're going to see how we've bricked off particular pieces of the page for you to edit. This is something called a visual builder. That way it's just not a bunch of junk code for you to have to dig through. So what we're looking for right here is we're looking for our products. And you can see that it takes over the whole span right here. And when we mouse over it, we get this little green box. We're going to click the edit tool, which is the pencil, edit products. And we're going to see right here a bunch of fields and things that we can change. Well, we've already established that we're pulling these products based on the SKUs. And so any product that's making its way to the front page is doing so by having its SKU listed right here. If it's not listed, it's not being pulled. Now, we can change a couple of different things. For instance, on a desktop, we can change the number of items shown all at once versus on a notebook or a tablet or a phone. I found just through trial and error that these typically are the best numbers to show. I have a limit of 6 on right now. We can change that. Let me see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's change this limit to 8. We're going to save changes. And because I've made a change to the page, I have to update. Now, if I didn't have the page already open, I could click Preview Changes, and that would open up a new tab. But I'm going to go up here and just click Refresh. And you can see that now I have all 7 listed. If I had an 8th, it would show me an 8th. I only have 7 that's being pulled forward. That is how you make changes to the items that are being displayed on the home page. And that is done by editing the home page under Pages and the product's SKUs, which you can see listed right here. And the way you're going to find those SKUs is to click on the item, and under General and all the products, you're going to see SKU listed right there. Give it a unique number. If you start giving it the same number, it doesn't do you any good. So every time you add a new product, you need to give it a unique SKU.